So I'm at Walmart. I just got out of algebra and I'm about to go in and get some, they have those like, you know those Oreos that are like, they have berry Oreos I think, and there's like birthday cake and like white chocolate covered ones. So I want to get some of those. I don't know which ones, but I'll just see what they have. I keep trying to text or call one of my parents, and it keeps like not working. I just restarted my phone, so I'm going to try again. It still says that this text is sending. Oh, it's so annoying.
Do you guys want to be in a Snapchat to BW? There we go. I'm going to send that to her. I'm going to say vlog in here. Okay, there we go. I think she'll enjoy that. Alright. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. I thought that'd be kind of cool if I did that, so, I mean, whatevs.
So I think I'm going to get these instead of, what about getting those? Or those, but I'm going to get these.
Listening to some Spotify as usual. I was listening to 1, 2, 3, 4, tell me that you love me more. Classic song. I freaking hate iTunes. I'm getting pissed. It's making me restore my phone again. I don't even know what to say right now. I'm just so angry. Look. Anger.
So I'm back in the car, and it was successful. I got the cranberry blast, you know, these. So yeah, pretty excited. And I realized while I was in Walmart that this is how I'm dressed today. I didn't even do this on purpose, but I'm wearing a state shirt and red pants. And I had these around my neck. These are my keys. And then I'm wearing a red headband. So, I mean, I wonder if anyone could tell what kind of fan I am. Pretty good one. I'm just a better fan than I even thought I was. So yeah, I'm gonna drive home and eat some Oreos. So.
You guys see that spider?
The stink bug.
I zoomed it on your face. I love the zoom.
Don't.
It's a spider.
I feel like my dad would laugh. Wow, it's like a strip club with him. Last thing I'm doing is pressuring him, especially with his... What are you doing? So I know that's going to take time.
That being selfish, are you? You just want to be rock.
That's true.
Watching it, about to go and get some compliments, passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in by me and grungy fucking me. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down?
What are you doing?
Honestly, I don't think really any of them are that attractive.
Hmm?
I'm talking about One Direction.
You know what?
I don't really think any of them are like that attractive.
Are you kidding me? Have you seen his face?
Sorry.
I mean, I'm One Direction, so... Wait.
I mean, depending on...
You don't scare him?
What are you doing?
My mom lives in upstate New York. Turn it off now. Living home. And they got it at her...
They had a broken keyboard, I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket, then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hello. I can take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. Sneakerheads will be like, oh, he got the Velcro.
So, last night I had a dream that there was this horror movie coming out where these people were trying to kill Bob and Larry from VeggieTales. And it kind of scarred me for life. In the dream, I remember, like, freaking out and, like, thinking it was such a big deal, but like that's not really that scary. But in my dream I thought it was like terrifying. You have anything to say about that? Oh, Kylie's about to get pissed at you because you're wearing her sweatshirt.
I'm wearing your sweatshirt, Kylie. I mean, you love to hear mine are at Rachel's house.
One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Like your granddad, we're donating that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm in the Goodwill, you can find me in the... I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that. The built-in onesie with the socks on them. I hit the party and they stop in that.
One of them is not actually.
It's okay, we're best friends.
We are? Yeah, me and you. No, we're just wives.
We're just what? What did you say?
wives.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I thought we'd just come out with it right now. We're actually sister wives. Garrett is the man in the relationship, but we don't really include him. Oh my gosh, this is getting awkward.
I don't approve.
I'm just kidding. That's really weird. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. That's getting awkward. Inappropriate.
I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big air coat from that thrift shop down the road.
So, I think this is going to be the end of my vlog for today. Thank you for turning that down. Yep. I'm on this website where everything's $5. And it's kind of cool. Some of it's really ugly, but some of it's cool. Anyway, I just FaceTime Heidi, and it was great until her iPod died, and now we can't figure out how to, for some reason it's not working. FaceTime fails a lot, so, I don't know. But anyway.
No matter how hard I try, I can't escape that gaze tonight. That girl's up in the atmosphere. That girl's up in the atmosphere.
You want to say goodnight?
Good night.
Good night. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so yeah, I'm not sure what's going to go on during the day, but tomorrow night's youth group, and I won't forget to vlog this time. Last week I forgot to vlog. Oh yeah, they're premiering this video. Well, the Harlem Shake probably is gonna play, but our advanced video, which is like we went on this trip, this like retreat kind of thing, and then we have this video from it. It's gonna premiere tomorrow night, so I'm pretty excited about it. We've both not seen it.
I haven't seen it, and apparently there's some really funny clips in there.
Yeah. So I mean, honestly, we probably would be the ones that would like think. We were probably the only ones that think it was funny. I just like put my country accent on. Anyway.
For the way she moves, baby girl, please help me soon. I'ma take you to the sun and the moon. That girl's up in the atmosphere. That girl's up in the atmosphere.
Yep, so I'm excited about that. Oh my gosh, my sisters are so freaking gassy.
Every day I chase after her, but I can't catch lightning.
Excuse me. You guys will never hear that from me. Seriously. In yesterday's vlog, Susanna's like, oh. And then today's vlog, I was like, oh.
No, I can't catch lightning.
If I burp, it's like really quiet. I don't really ever burp really loud, so. Anyway, on that note, good night, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.